welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to see the concept of prompt priming. Okay, so yes, it's a small concept, but yes, it is important concept. Okay, so prompt priming. What is prompt priming? And before understanding what do I mean by prompt priming, let us first understand what does the word priming means. Okay, what do I mean by priming? Okay, so priming is nothing but when we give some pre-information, right? When we give some pre-set of rules. Okay, so that is what a priming means. Okay, so priming refers to the practice of providing some initial inputs, right? Initial inputs to the model before generating a response. So whenever we generate a response, okay, whenever we try to generate a response, right? So before generating the response, we give our model few sets of information, right? Few set of information to that model before getting our response, right? So that is what a priming is. Okay, for an example, so this is an example. Please act as a writing assistant, and every time I give you text to read, respond me in this particular format, right? Okay, so let us try doing it. Okay, let us now try doing it. Let us try with the same prompt. Okay, I'll give the same prompt. Okay, and we will try it. Okay, perfect. So this is what the prompt priming says. Okay, so I'll just copy this entire prompt from here. Okay, and I'll just copy this entire prompt, and we will try to understand what do I mean by prompt priming. Okay, so see, now the prompt says, please act as a writing assistant. One set of information. I have already provided one set of rule, one set of prior information to him that, okay, I want him to act as a writing assistant. Perfect. And every time I give you text to read, respond in this format. I want him to respond in this particular format. Okay, I always want him to respond in this particular format, that whatever text I am giving, okay, I want him to respond. I want him to first tell what is the language. Okay, language. Then is it well written or not? The text which I have provided, is that well written or no? Not. Okay. Then if it is not well written, then do you have any advice for me? Right? If you have any advice for me, you can just say that. Okay. Perfect. And if you understand, just say yes. If you understand what I'm asking you, what rules I have given you and what rules you have to follow before answering me, right? Then just say yes. So see, the reply will be yes. So yes, now it has understood. Now it has understood the complete set of information, complete set of rules that he has to follow, right? He has understood everything. And now if I put in any kind of text, okay, now if I try to put in any kind of text, so my text is mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. Okay, okay, so my text is this. Now see the response. See, yes, it is telling me now. When I said mitochondria is powerhouse of cell, it told me language. Which language I'm using? English. Is it well written? No, it is not well written. Writing advice. There is a typo. See, I have done a typo in powerhouse, right? So there is a typo in the word powerhouse, which should be powerhouse. Okay, perfect. Also, it would be better to start the sentence with the, right? For clarity and completeness. Perfect. The corrected sentence would be, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Perfect. That is how prompt priming works. Okay. So in this complete format, in this complete conversation, right? I have already asked him, right? I have already asked him to follow certain set of rules. I have already given him few set of rules, right? And which he is following, right? Which definitely he is following, and accordingly he is giving me the output, right? That is what the prompt priming is. Perfect, perfect. So yes, let's try some more things. Okay, let's try some more things. Say hello, hello. My name is Rishabh. Let's see. Yes, so it says language is English. Well written. Yes, it is well written. The sentence is clear and correctly written. You might consider adding a comma after hello for natural flow. Okay, so it is telling me the right sentence. Hello, comma, my name is Rishabh. Perfect. Language English, well written, no. Okay, the use of T's imperfect is informal and might be seen as unprofessional in certain contexts. To clarify the formality, please write simple perfect. See, that is how, that is how uh, the concept of prompt priming works. Okay, so yes, I hope the concept is now clear to you. So if yes, then let's end this video and we'll meet you again in some other video. Till then, bye bye, take care.